2 points by number 13. 2 points by Sonny. Good. Power move by Ryan. 2 points. Lordy. And 14 mastery. 2 points. Pull up. 2 points. Ang ganda. Easy basket by Ryan. Rebound. Nice assist. Steal. Easy basket. Bam! 3 points. Pamawiin. Bam! 3 points. Lordy nagmamadali. Easy basket by Lordy. Ooh. 2 points. Bam! Nothing but net. Ooh, side step. 2 points by Maski. 1. 2 points. 3. 2 points by DeAndre. 30 seconds remaining. 2 points. No good. 2 points. Lucky bounce. Step back. Easy basket by Pondala. Nice pass. Easy basket. The pass. Easy basket. 2 points by Masji. 10. Ang gandang fake na naman, oh! 2 points. Kurt, pull up. 2 points. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Bam! Ready, change 10. Tayo-tayo na kayo dyan. Bam! 2 points. Shot clock off. 20 seconds. Step back, no good. Rebound by Kurt. Kurt. Reverse. Easy basket by Kurt. Ariel, drop pass sana. Kaso nakabot ni Jason. Easy basket by EJ. Grabe naman yung moves na yun. Sino nagturo sa'yo? Paseo. Corner 3 pa. 3 points by Paseo. Bam! 2 points. Easy basket. Drop pass to Leon. Leon, kinaliwa. Kailan, no good. Rebound by EJ. Easy basket by EJ. Ooh! To EJ. EJ to Jason. Easy basket by EJ.
Up to 9 kami. Up to 9 kami.
2 points.
Sure yun. Kahit pinakasabi ko yan kay Dad.
Bali na ano ko na lang yung mga escape.
Pero gusto may confirm ko na mamaya. Makakuha na natin natin. Oo.
Nice pass. Easy basket by EJ. Bam! 2 points by EJ. By EJ. Pull up. No good. Sa kanya pa rin. 2 points by EJ. Ariel. 2 points. There to shoot. 2 points by Paseo. Ariel pull up. 2 points by Ariel. Paseo, nilapag sa rin ang bola. 5 remaining. 5 minutes remaining. Pull up 2 points by 2 points. Day for 3. Wow. Nothing but net. Grabe naman yung passing doon. Easy basket. No good. Easy basket. Rebound. Easy basket. 20 seconds. Easy basket by Dirk. 2 minutes. 2 points by E2. MJ for 3, bound. Nothing but net. 2 points. Muntik na yung talasod. Jacob ba? 2 points. Power move, sayang. Rebound by DeAndre. Grabe naman. Quick move by. Time to shoot. Ah, 3. Bam. 2 points by. Power moves. Nilinis pa ang ring. Another 3 points. Rule number 3. Uy, first basketball. First basketball. Easy basket. 8 seconds. 2 points by Sonic. Easy basket by Sonic. 2 points by Sonic. Nagbabagulit. Easy basket.
Ang tumbler.
2 points.
Summer League.
2 points.
Pansin na yung ano.
Anong minutes na?
Ah.
Anong minutes na dyan? 4?
5 minutes sakto.
2 points. Lodi for 3. Bam. Takbo ang Soray. Easy basket. 1 minute. 2 points. 5. Steal. 2 points. 2 points. 2 points.
Eh, dito na kaya, Pitas.
Sa ere naglaro yung dalawa. 2 points. Easy basket. 2 points. Steal. Easy basket. Bam! 3 points. 2 points.
Bakit? Napilok ka?
No good. Reverse. Easy basket. 2 points. 2 points. 2 points. Easy basket kay Lodi, umupo sa ere. Drop pass, easy basket. Drop pass, easy basket. Wow! Bam! 2 points.
Malupit eh. Kumap step.
Easy basket yan. Salita na sila guys. Two points by Paseo.
Balot ang gumap.
Izilea. Uy! Oh! Easy basket by Bert. Easy basket by Bert.
Kinana.
2 points by Bert. 2 points. Bang! Bang! 2 points. Two points. MJ. Easy basket by MJ. Kaliwa kanan. 2 points. 2 points. 20 seconds. Yo,